Hello friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Bright Learners Academy. Today we will discuss identity property of addition and multiplication. So let's start with identity property of addition. This property states that when 0 is added to a number, the result is the number itself. It never loses its identity whenever we add 0 to it. Okay, the number would remain same. Let's see how. For example, 7 plus 0 is 7. Okay, so whenever we add 0 to any number, it would be same. Like 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 0 is 7. 9 plus 0 is 9. Okay. So now let's have a look on one more example. Suppose there is a basket in which 4 apples are kept. And there is another basket which is empty. Or we can say there is 0 apple. When we put apples of both baskets together, so we got only 4 apples. Right? So the identity of the number is not changed. See, in this basket, there are 4 apples. And in this, there are 0. Okay? So it would be same. So we can say it is A plus 0 equals to A, where A could be any number. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be any number. So 500 plus 0 is 500 because A can be any number. And 0 means nothing. Okay, so whenever you add 0 to any number, it would be same. Or you can write it in other way like 0 plus A equals to A. Now, identity property of multiplication. When a number is multiplied by 1, the result is the number itself. It means whenever you multiplied any number with 1, it never loses its identity. It would be same only. Okay, see, there is a lion. So if there is one lion, so we can say lion into 1 equals to lion only. Okay, pig into 1 equals to pig only. So in that way, we can say A into 1 equals to A. And A could be any number. Okay? Like 45 multiplied by 1 is equals to 45. Let's take few more examples. Like 35 multiplied by 1 is equals to 35. 238 multiplied by 1 equals to 238. 4789 multiplied by 1 is equals to 4789. So it could be any number. Okay, whenever you multiply it by 1, the number would never change its identity. It would be the number itself. Okay, so remember one thing. In addition, you have to add the number with 0. Okay, then the number would be the number itself. It never loses its identity whenever we add 0 to any number. Okay, and in multiplication, if we multiply the number with 1, the number would remain same only. Okay, so these two things I think you would remember. Okay, now let's solve few questions. So in your exam, the question may ask in this format, in fill in the blanks. So let's solve this. So first one, 405 multiplied by what equals to 405. So If you will look it carefully, so 405, 405. So it means the number doesn't lose its identity and its multiplication. So what we write here, so it would be 1 only. Okay, because in multiplication, whenever we multiply by 1, the number would be same only. Okay, now let's solve second one. In second one, it is dash plus 0 equals to 320. So plus 0. Remember, identity property of addition, the number would be same. So here my result is 320. So I would write 320 in this blank because it's identity property of addition. Now next one, 1568 plus dash equals to 1568. Now if you observe it carefully, so 1568 on both the side, left hand side and right hand side. So it means it is again identity property and there is addition symbol. So I put 0 in it. Okay. Now next one, dash multiplied by 1 equals to 3987. Now we are multiplying by 1. Okay, so identity property, the number would remain same. So it means this number would come in this blank. Okay, so I'll write here. So it would be 3987. Now the last part of this fill in the blanks. It is 50,912 plus 0 equals to what? So this is identity property. They are adding 0 to number. So it means 50,912 should come in this blank. Okay. Now I am sure this identity property is clear to you. Okay, and in next video we will discuss the next chapter, that is playing with numbers. And if you have any doubt or query, you can comment me. And if you want to see my history video, then click on right button, and if you want to see other properties, then click on left button. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.